5 reasons why you have reoccurring infection. Okay, reasons why most people have reoccurring infection, especially vaginal infection. Why you do have reoccurring vaginal infection? Number one, it's because you abuse antibiotics. This is for both men and women. Some people, the moment they realize anything, even if they are having headache or they finish sleeping with their partner, they are rushing to the pharmacy to get antibiotics. Or they notice probably they are having itchy or pain anywhere. You see them going to get antibiotics. If you abuse antibiotics, it is going to suppress your immune system. It will even make you to be resistant to antibiotics as well. And that will make you, if you have any infection or illness that antibiotics is supposed to treat, it will not treat it. And you see yourself having that infection again and again. All right. Now, number two is poor personal hygiene. You have a very poor personal hygiene. You're a dirty person. Okay, if you don't keep your your environment clean, your surroundings clean, even the undies you wear, if they are not clean enough, you are not the type that when you are menstruating, you keep appropriate personal hygiene. Of course, you always have reoccurring infection. Now, another one is you treating infection and not treating your partner. That is very, very wrong, especially sexually transmitted infection. It is meant to be treated by both partners. You both of you need to treat yourself. Okay. If you're a woman, you're treating any form of infection, including the man. Ensure you treat your partner. Do not just treat yourself. And during the period of that treatment, please, the both of you should abstain from sexual intercourse until the treatment has been completed. Okay, to avoid reoccurrence. All right. So the next thing is allowing a man to finger you with his or I meant to finger you. That is very wrong. And you also using your dirty fingers to dip in your V or in the name of washing. Please, you're doing the wrong thing. Okay. If you allow a man to finger you, if that man has any form of dirt or the fingers has any form of bacteria in it, you contact it. And if this thing continues, even after treating it, and that same person fingers you again, the infection will still come up again. And if you're the type that do dip your hand, your dirty finger inside your V or in the name of washing, or probably those ladies that do touch themselves, you are reintroducing infection to that place. And you can imagine after treatment, you do that same act again. Of course, the infection will still come back again. And the next one is what we call the one we call dashing a bit douching that ladies do. They'll put their hand in their V, put water and be pouring inside their V and be washed. Please, that thing you are doing is not doing any good to you, my dear. It will only reduce the pH of that place and make you susceptible to infection. And if you keep doing these things, at least maybe if you do it the first time and you notice you get yourself treated and you repeat that same act again, of course that same infection will happen again. Okay, so this is another thing that can cause reoccurring vaginal infection. Okay, another one is using of scented pads and tampons. If you're the type that use scented pads and or scented tissues to clean, to wipe that area, please, let's say for example the first time you did it, it caused you vaginal yeast infection. You get yourself treated. Now you went back after treat to use, of course the infection will happen again. So this is another cause of reoccurring vaginal infection. Okay, so another one is taking too much sugar. You take too much sweetened beverages, you take too much sodas. If you consume too much sugar, it will make your immune system to be suppressed. It will make you to have reoccurring infection. You will treat and it comes back again. And for one who keep having recurring infection, it's an indication that your immune system might be low. So what you should do, if you're having reoccurring infection and you notice even when you go ahead, treat yourself and also treat your partner, you notice this infection is coming back again. One thing that can cause this is when your immune system is suppressed. So check your sugar level and do some sexually transmitted infection. Take, for example, check your HIV status. So guys, don't forget to share, like. See you in my next video.